Hi guys, this is the second video to 3.4 similar triangle theorems. Now, you've already seen the triangle proportionality, but this one is actually a little bit different. It's the mid-segment definition and theorem. Now, a mid-segment of a triangle bisects two sides of a triangle. I want you to pay close attention to the tick marks that you see over here. Notice that DA and DB have the same tick mark, right? Great. Also note that that means that D is actually the midpoint between A all the way to B, just a little bit more vocabulary. But that is because the length between DA and the length between DB are equal or congruent to one another. Now, the same thing is happening between A to C. So let's take a look. Note that you see a double tick mark on this side on both of these. So E could be proved to be a midpoint of AC. Pay close attention to that. Now, when this happens, a mid-segment will always be parallel to the third side of the triangle, but also half of its length. So we see 8 and we see 16. So you have to be on the lookout for these on the test. And what you need to look for are definitely the tick marks. There'll be matching tick marks along one side of the larger triangle. Let's try some of these examples. On the first one, we see definitely we have the marks. We have the double tick mark on marks on one side and the single tick marks on the other side. Yes, this is definitely a mid-segment. So what do I need to do? Well, I have the larger mid-segment. So all I'm going to do is actually divide that in two. And what does that equal? 17. Let's try the next one. Paying close attention, I definitely see double tick mark here, double tick mark here, single tick mark here, and also single tick mark here. So can I do it again? You betcha. This is definitely a mid-segment, and I want the smaller of the two. So I'm going to take 41 and divide it by 2. 41 divided by 2? How about 20.5? If you think of it like money, it's not that hard. Now let's take a look at the last one. Oh no, it's algebra. No way we're going to be able to do that. Sure we can. I want you to remember what we said. 2 of these will actually equal one of these down here. So let's do just a pinch of algebra. So the larger one is definitely 2x. And I can set that equal to 7 plus 7, or in this case, 14. And what do? I'm going to divide both sides by 2. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides. And we're kind of right back where we started. X will equal 7. Now, some of these other examples down at the bottom will broaden your mind just a little bit, some of these, and I want you to make predictions about this. Understand that mid-segments on this, when you get down to this one below, are happening all over this shape, and DB is going to be congruent to AD, AF is going to be congruent to FC, EC, BE, which means we have a whole lot of mid segments. Good luck with this and this thinking task down here on the bottom.